In this video, I'm going to show you how to gradually increase or decrease the audio of your video in Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, open your project with the video you want to edit and click this icon right here at the timeline to make sure that you have this feature enabled to show the audio keyframes. So after you enable this, we are going to drag the audio track right here to make it bigger. And now we are going to press P, or we can click right here at the toolbar to open the pen tool. I'm going to expand the timeline by dragging this thing right here, this bar. And now we can start. For example, if I want to gradually increase the audio on the intro, I can click right here to create the first keyframe and then click right here. And now just drag this keyframe at the bottom, and as you can see, it will do that effect. I'm going to expand this so you can see it much better. So as you can see, we can create this gradual increase effect, and we can do the same thing if you want to decrease the audio. So we can create a keyframe right here and another one here, and then hold the left click and decrease this thing right here, this keyframe, so it will make this decrease effect. So that's it. You can add as many keyframes as you want, and you can do this effect. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.